Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today I'm going to test this Parkside Cordless Combi screwdriver / impact driver model PDSSA 12A1, and here it is. The unboxing is right in the corner and you can see it, and let's see how it's screwing into these 3 layers of wood. Let's try the small one first. 1 year. Let's try that. Impact. Yeah, when you're doing an impact, definitely it will do the job. Second one. Wow, very powerful. He has the balls, yeah. Sorry about the word, but it's very powerful. Let's do it again. Second year. Very nice. Yep, it is very powerful, and this is the last screw that I'm going to try. I'm very impressed with that. Let's do. Whoa. Yeah. First year. Yeah, impact, but we need to screw, and here it is. Wow, very impressive. Very impressive. Wow. Closer look. Very nice. And with all that, guys, that was my video for the cordless combi screwdriver and impact driver. Thank you for watching again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, it's your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming, and share this video, you never know who may need it. Thank you again, have a nice and lovely day.